Hey guys, Taylor here with another video, and if you're here, you may be considering looking into a standing desk. So we have a couple recommendations for some great standing desks today, but before I jump into that, here's a couple of reasons why a standing desk might be a great option for you. If you're one of those people who find yourself sitting at a desk constantly and experiencing things like lower back pain or fatigue, then a standing desk might actually be a great option for you. And one of the big reasons for this is having a desk that's at elbow height allows you to just walk away from your desk, as opposed to standing up and sitting down constantly all day. This can prevent things like leg and back stiffness that accompanies long bouts of computer activity. This can be very beneficial for your health and can also help with focus and attention at work. And one of the great things is, if you're still kind of on the fence about whether or not you should get a standing desk, most standing desks are actually adjustable. So if you decide you feel like sitting for a portion of the day, that's not a problem. You can literally just adjust your desk down to sitting height. So if you are considering a standing desk, it's important to get one that not only works for your budget, but has the appropriate customization features that you might be looking for at your office or at home. So today I'll be looking at the top 4 best standing desks, and I'll be breaking down each of these, including some features and benefits, so you can see which of these might be the best choice for you based on your particular situation. So number 1 is going to be the fully Jarvis bamboo standing desk. And this is going to be a great option if you're just kind of looking for the best overall standing desk. It has a lot of great features that will really improve your workspace, and it's really aesthetically pleasing as well. So a couple notable features is the desk is actually made from sustainable material, which is fantastic, and also gives it a really nice, classy, sophisticated look. Also, this desk is electric, so it does have a motor that will adjust the height automatically for you, and it's whisper quiet, so it won't disturb any of your coworkers or throw off your concentration at all. And also, if you're like me and you have a lot of equipment at your desk, this desk actually can support up to 350 pounds, so it makes it a really sturdy, great option. So the one caveat with the fully Jarvis bamboo standing desk is it's a little bit more on the pricey side. But like I said, the fully Jarvis bamboo standing desk is a great, well-rounded option, comes with a lot of fantastic features like that sturdy electric motor and lots of customization options as well. Now, for those of you who are a little more interested in a budget-friendly option, at our number 2 spot we have the Flexispot Electric Height Adjustable Standing Desk. This is a really great option also if you want a full workstation. It's super customizable, it's rock solid, it comes in all shapes and sizes, so no matter what your office looks like, you can find one that fits perfectly within the space. It does have this double steel tubing, which means that it's very sturdy. This one can support between 154 and 275 pounds. So again, you can get lots of equipment on that desk. This also does have that electric motor, and it does come with a 5-year warranty in case you run into any issues with it whatsoever. The one thing with this desk is the setup for it is a little bit taxing, and it may require 2 people to be done. But like I said, this one won't break the bank, so it's a great budget-friendly option for all of you out there who are looking for a super customizable and a super sturdy standing desk. At number 3, we have the ApexDesk Elite Series 60-inch. And this is an option that has really great value for the price. Aesthetically, it's really nice. It has a contoured workspace that will provide you enough room for all of your business essentials, and it comes in a variety of finishes to match whatever style you have in your office. You can do black, white, walnut, light oak, anything to match that surrounding decor. Also, the motor it features is speedy and quiet and can be raised between 29 and 48 inches. Another cool feature is you can actually program preset heights to make switching between them super easy. Also, depending on the work you're doing, it might be worth noting that it's actually made of anti-scratch high-pressure laminate, so you don't have to worry about damaging your workstation. Now, I will say that this desk is not really meant for taller people. As I mentioned, it only goes up to 48 inches high as a max height. But if that doesn't matter to you, it does have a ton of fantastic features, super customizable, and aesthetically, it comes with a ton of great options to make your workspace really shine. And last but not least, we have the Flexispot Deskcise Pro V9. And this is a great option for those of you who aren't just interested in improving your health by standing instead of sitting. This one actually allows you to exercise throughout the day. Basically, this desk actually incorporates an exercise bike with an adjustable tabletop attached to the front. This will actually allow you to burn calories while you're at work. The exercise bike features 8 different resistance levels to choose from, anywhere from a light workout while you're typing up reports to a relatively intense workout to get out any pent-up stress you might have. This is also a great option because it does come with a built-in LED display, and that keeps track of time, speed, calories burned, RPM, and the total distance that you've biked, so it's a great way to keep track of your exercise stats as well. It also does have lots of adjustable options. The bike seat adjusts between 29.6 and 37.2 inches, but just note that the design of the seat is actually not ideal for longer legs, and it can get a little uncomfortable depending on how long you're using it for. But this desk is a great value. It does come with that added exercise feature to really make sure that you're staying in tip-top health even while you're at work.